Coach 9580 coming back at you. Made it back to the van. Walked probably over 2 miles. Trail still didn't end. So I don't know how far it goes. If I went several more miles, I don't know. But made it back to the van anyway, and it's a nice trail. But now it's time to go take a shower. Do I hear Planet Fitness calling me? I think so. I'm all sweaty and sticky, so go to Planet Fitness, take my shower. And I ain't gonna do it right now. That probably won't happen until about 8, 9 o'clock at night. Because if I go down there now, you got all the traffic in the city and the streets, and it's gonna be awful. So I'm gonna wait till about 9 o'clock at night. Then I'll go down and take my shower. But now I can go down to the truck stop, which is just down the road, and get in the TV room, watch some TV, air conditioned. Everybody loves air conditioning, right? At least I do. So we're gonna do that. And I guess that's about it on this state park. This will be the last video of today. So just letting you guys in at what I'm doing. You know, I'm doing great. So, alright guys, talk to you later. Bye.